tuner, but I'm going to do an Android guitar tuner recommendation too. And one of my things I look for is no ads, and it's free. So I'll put some screenshots from the phone up there, but it's called Universal Tuner. You can download it from the Google store. And on the bottom of the screen you have gives you the target notes for a guitar. It's set up for guitar. And then like it also listens to your guitar through the microphone, the built-in microphone, and tell you like this is saying it's too low, so you just adjust your tuners until it gives you a check mark. And up here, when you have a little floating note icon that shows up on this line, and when they match up, it'll give you a check mark. Okay, and if you want the tuning note, you just press on the little yellow note thing. So Universal Tuner, I believe it's just one gentleman just put it out there out of the goodness of his heart. There's no ads, there's no nothing. So that's my Android recommendation. Thanks for watching. Bye.